This wheel and tire kit is a perfect setup for the 2015 to 2023 Mustang owner who wants that performance pack style and some additional grip for a great price. This kit provides a great balance of affordability and performance, making it an excellent choice for a daily driven car. In this kit, you will receive a set of 4 wheels and tires featuring 20 by 8.5 inch black performance pack style wheels with a 30mm offset and 255/35 R20 Lionhart LH5 tires. Free mounting and balancing is also included with your purchase. This is a square setup too, meaning that you have 4 of the exact same diameter and width on your wheels and tires, meaning that you can rotate these to help extend tire life. This combination is going to give you plenty of grip as well with the performance-oriented features of the LH5s. So you get good tread life, a cool look, and some excellent performance, all for one of the best prices in the segment. Now, of course, the first thing you're going to notice are the wheels. As the name suggests, these are designed to mimic the style of wheels you'd find on a 2018 to 2023 S550 GT model that is equipped with the factory performance pack option. The thin Y-style split spokes here make for a simple but pretty eye-catching appearance. And this set in particular is of course finished off in this nice gloss black, which will look great against any paint color. And it adds a nice aggressive accent to your build, especially on something like our Ego Boost behind me, which has got the cool gloss black stripe on the bottom. Now, where these wheels will differ from the OE spec performance pack wheels is in the sizing. These are 20-inch diameter wheels, so they're actually an inch bigger than the factory option. Now, like we mentioned earlier on in the video, in this kit you do get 4 wheels with an 8.5-inch width and a 30mm offset. Now, that also means that they're going to fit on your car even if you have it lowered up to 2 inches, and you're not going to have any rubbing or clearance issues, which will also help extend tire life, of course. And speaking of those tires, this kit features a set of 225/35 ZR20 Lionhart LH5s, and I think these might be the best kept secret in the segment. These tires are quite possibly the best kept secret on the market because they are a true performance bargain. Now, these are branded as an ultra high performance all season, meaning that they can serve as your only set of tires on a Mustang that is driven all year long. And they have all the hallmarks of a solid performance tire. Check out the treads and you'll see large circumferential grooves and deep sipes in the tread blocks to help dispel water, debris, and snow, which makes them plenty capable in adverse conditions. But they also feature an asymmetric tread pattern with large outer shoulder blocks and a wide central rib to give them plenty of grip in the dry. The LH5s also feature an advanced heat-resistant silica compound and reinforced sidewalls to enhance grip and responsiveness. So these can easily take you from your daily commute to the track, and they'll be plenty capable in either scenario. However, it's important to keep in mind that these are of course billed as a true M+S branded all-season tire. So there has to be a balance between performance, longevity, and wet grip. Now, that compound we were just talking about is going to be a little bit softer than traditional all seasons, which gives you the grip as evidenced by the A traction rating and the 320 treadwear rating. This also has an A temperature rating, so don't expect to get a ton of grip if you're going to be out in deep snow or ice. If that's going to be the case, you might want to think about getting a dedicated set of winters. However, if you just see a pretty mild winter like we sometimes do here in the lower part of the Northeast, well, these are going to do plenty fine for you. Also, that softer compound means that you shouldn't expect to get 60,000 miles or more out of these, especially if you're putting them through their paces. A soft compound is going to wear a little bit faster, and that is just the trade-off you get for that additional dry traction. And really, that's kind of the key with the LH5s, because the performance per dollar cannot be overstated. They carry a W speed rating, meaning they are rated for up to 168 miles per hour, which frankly is gonna be plenty. Now, this kit also includes free mounting and balancing, and you can either have them mounted and balanced by us, and we will ship them to you directly completed and ready to mount on your car, or we'll ship you everything separately and get you set up with an appointment at a local tire shop where they will mount and balance your kit free of charge. When you buy your wheel and tire kit, you also have the option to include the correct TPMS sensor. So if you want to get new sensors all the way around and make sure you don't have that pesky warning light on the dashboard, you can do that as well. Buying the sensors does come at an additional cost. However, free installation is included in your purchase. The wheels are made from cast aluminum, meaning that they are all one piece and thus pretty darn strong. Aluminum is widely used for wheels because of its lightweight and strength, so you have a really nice, strong wheel that's not going to be super heavy. You're not going to have that weighing you down or slowing you down. Now, this set in particular, again, features that gloss black powder coating over top that we were talking about earlier, and that's going to look good and also provide you with some additional protection against rust and corrosion. So treat these well, and they should last you and look good for a long time to come. As for the LH5s, well, we talked about most of that stuff already. They feature that all-season rated compound with the A traction and temperature rating and a 320 treadwear rating, as well as the reinforced sidewalls. These also carry an XL load rating, so they should be plenty strong enough to last you a long time, and they also come with a 30,000-mile treadwear warranty. Plus, you've got all that good stuff again, the reinforced sidewalls, the advanced silica compound, the big outer tread blocks, and all that other good stuff to enhance grip and stability. So these are going to be a pretty solid performance tire, and again, something that will get you through most weather conditions without any fuss. Now, when it comes to the price, this kit falls very much on the more affordable side of the spectrum, and in fact, it is one of the most affordable wheel and tire kits that we offer for these Mustangs. So if you're after some additional performance and OEM Plus style good looks at an affordable price point, then this kit is going to be the perfect option for you. Installation will get a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should only take you around 30 minutes to complete. Now, these are designed to bolt right onto your car without the need for any other modifications, so really you just need some time and some tools. You're going to need a breaker bar or an impact gun, the correct socket for your wheel lugs, your wheel lock key if your car is so equipped, and a torque wrench plus a floor jack. So just make sure you gather your stuff, and if you've ever changed a wheel and tire before, really that's all there is to it. And since these are a square setup, anyone can go on any corner of the car. Now, I'll also throw in, you might want to pick up a set of black lug nuts if you don't have them already, just to complete that nice look like we have here on our car. That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of the wheel and tire kit with the Performance Pack style wheels and Lionhart LH5 all-season tires, featuring 20 by 8.5 inch wheels with a 30mm offset and 255/35 ZR20 tire sizing, designed to fit all 2015 to 23 Mustangs, including GT, V6, and EcoBoost models. Thank you so much for watching, and for everything Mustang, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.